Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best lighted mirror is probably one of the most versatile and essential additions to any home, transforming your daily routine from mundane to magnificent with its integrated illumination. Imagine effortlessly applying makeup, styling your hair, or simply checking your outfit with perfect, shadow-free lighting that mimics natural daylight, ensuring you always look your absolute best. This isn't just a mirror, it's a personal vanity upgrade, a space saver, and a style statement all rolled into one, designed to enhance both your appearance and your living space with its modern functionality and elegant design. Number 5. Hollywood-style LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit. Introducing the Hollywood-style LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit. Achieve professional lighting for your makeup application with this easy-to-use kit. These 10 LED bulbs provide soft, natural, and bright illumination. They are designed to be gentle on your eyes, allowing for comfortable, extended makeup sessions without strain. Enjoy a durable and comfortable lighting solution that is built to last. Just like true beauty, these lights are designed to stand the test of time. Installation is a breeze with no drilling or complex wiring required. Simply stick them onto your mirror or frame for an instant upgrade. Customize your lighting experience with the built-in Smart Touch dimmer. Easily adjust the brightness to your exact preference for any situation. Beyond makeup, these versatile lights can be used for filming or other creative projects. They offer a professional lighting solution for various needs. What we like. These lights offer a soft, natural illumination perfect for detailed makeup application. The dimmable feature allows you to customize the brightness to your exact needs. If you're looking to upgrade your existing vanity mirror with professional quality lighting without a full replacement, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The lights are durable, plastic LED style with easy to apply 3M stick tab and suction style cup that is invisible once applied. The cord is easily hidden or shortened by swiveling the light base. Easily plugged in and touch switch with dimmer is a great feature. The light is bright but soft and dims easily. The adhesive is very strong. Lights are very bright, and the cool toned ones are very cool. They look cute and are going to make my vanity desk functional. Other than placement anxiety, setup is a breeze, and I love the adjustable cord lengths. The suction cups work much better than expected. They stick very firmly but can be removed and reset if adjustments are needed. The method I used created a much cleaner look, where the wiring is almost undetectable. Also, the hinges between the mirrors made for good anchoring points. We both love the many levels of adjustable brightness that be achieved by pressing and holding through the 10 stages. When you turn the lights off, they remember your last setting. So it's nice not having to reset the brightness each time. Only a light touch is needed to deactivate the lights. Number 4. Best Choice Products Freestanding Jewelry Armoire. Never worry about clutter again. This cabinet offers abundant storage for all your jewelry and makeup needs, with dedicated spaces for necklaces, rings, earrings, and more. Find your perfect angle with ease. The adjustable mirror can be tilted to 3 different positions, ensuring you get the best view of your entire outfit. Keep your precious items safe and organized. The built-in lock protects your jewelry from children and ensures everything is easily accessible when you need it. Crafted for durability and elegance. Its sturdy construction is complemented by a soft velvet lining, providing a luxurious home for your finest accessories. Enhance any room with its elegant design. This piece complements any home aesthetic and adds a touch of sophistication to your bedroom or prep space. What we like. This armoire provides extensive storage for all your jewelry and makeup needs, with dedicated slots, rings, necklaces, and earrings. The adjustable mirror tilt ensures you get the perfect angle for viewing your outfits. If you have a large collection of accessories and want a secure, organized, and stylish solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The mirror itself isn't huge and it's narrow, but that's exactly what I wanted. I give it a 5-star here because it does tilt up and down and you can step toward or away to get a better look. I can't ask for more. I'm happy with the way this has been put together. This price point is outstanding and they nailed it. It's fine. This is very inexpensive and looks like it was much more than it was, so you can't complain here. Mirrors are not cheap. This is cost cheap but not constructed cheaply. It's also not constructed extremely beyond because you're not paying for much. I have had no issues putting everything inside this armoire without any loss of sturdiness or feeling like it's going to fall apart. 5 stars. Number 3. JUSRON 360 Viewing Angle Self-Hair Cutting Mirror. Tired of struggling to see the back of your head when cutting your hair? Introducing a revolutionary mirror designed for perfect self-haircuts every time. With its unique 360-degree viewing angle, you can now see every angle of your head with ease. Achieve professional-looking results from the comfort of your home. Experience unparalleled clarity with its high-definition glass. The anti-fog feature ensures a clear view, even in steamy bathrooms. This mirror boasts a sleek black design that complements any space. It's the perfect tool for anyone who wants to maintain their hairstyle effortlessly. It's like having your own personal barber right at your fingertips. Get salon-quality trims and touch-ups whenever you need them. Using it is incredibly simple. Just place it, adjust the panels, and start cutting. It makes self-haircutting accessible to everyone. What we like? This mirror is designed for self-styling, offering a full 360-degree view so you can see every angle. Its anti-fog feature ensures clarity even in steamy bathrooms. If you frequently cut or style your own hair and need a clear, comprehensive view, this mirror is ideal. What people say. The tri-sided design makes it easy to see the back and sides of my head, so parting and styling my hair is no longer a struggle. The hooks on the back, shaped like the letter L, let me set the mirror higher or lower, which is perfect since I'm on the shorter side. It makes it super easy to find the right height for styling. The 3-panel design gives a full 360-degree view, making it so much easier to see the back and sides of my head without struggling with multiple mirrors. Number 2. Best Choice Products LED Mirror Jewelry Cabinet. This versatile cabinet can be hung on a door or mounted on a wall. It transforms any space into your personal dressing area. Bright LED lights line the interior mirror, creating the perfect ambience. It helps you apply makeup and choose accessories with ease. Keep all your treasures organized with ample space. It features numerous compartments, hooks, and slots for jewelry and cosmetics. A built-in lock ensures your valuables are safe. It protects your precious items from children and unauthorized access. Utilize both the full-length and interior mirrors to perfect your look. It's ideal for checking your makeup, outfit, and accessories. Choose between adjustable hooks for easy setup or wall brackets for a more permanent installation. Place it wherever it suits you best. What we like? It features bright LED lighting inside to help you see your jewelry and cosmetics clearly. You have the flexibility to mount it on a wall or hang it on a door, making it suitable for various spaces. If you need a space-saving organizer with integrated lighting for your accessories and makeup, this option is perfect. What people say. The mirror is full-length and has built-in lights. The lights are bright and illuminate the entire mirror. The mirror is well-made and sturdy. Number 1. Giantex Standing Jewelry Armoire with 18 LED lights. This armoire features 18 LED lights to help you easily find your jewelry. They create a warm and inviting atmosphere in your room. Keep all your accessories neatly organized with ample storage. It includes numerous slots and hooks for earrings, rings, necklaces, and more. See yourself from head to toe with the high-definition full-length mirror. It offers a clear reflection and adds a stylish touch to your decor. Crafted from durable engineered wood with an exquisite finish, this cabinet protects your jewelry. The soft velvet lining prevents scuffs and scratches. Assembly is a breeze as the main body comes pre-assembled. Simply attach the legs and bottom shelf following the included instructions. This beautiful piece is a wonderful gift idea. It effortlessly adds an elegant touch to any room in your home. What we like? This armoire boasts 18 romantic LED lights around the door, creating a warm ambience and illuminating your jewelry. It offers substantial storage for all your accessories, including lipstick holders. If you desire a jewelry cabinet that combines elegant lighting, a full-length mirror for outfit checks, and organized storage, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. They assemble easily and have too many compartments. The lights are great. The door secured on well and takes the abuse from my energetic 7-year-old. It has lights around the mirror on the outside, and the inside has tons of room and spaces for makeup. The bottom half has lots of spots for jewelry. Quality construction. Very quick and easy to put together. Light feature is very nice and adds a classy touch for your classy girl. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.